Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video we're going to be doing a question or a problem with the distance, speed and the time. So in this case we have a speed problem. So here's the question. A car travels 360 kilometers in 4 hours. How fast is the car traveling? So to solve this problem we use a very important formula in physics and math. Speed equals distance divided by time. So the formula is speed, which we're going to write as an S, equals distance divided by time. So this formula helps us find how fast something is moving. Now let's plug in the numbers from the problem. But before we plug in the numbers from the problem, I want to show you a little trick. As you can see on the right of your screen right here, I made a little triangle. And in the triangle it says DST. So distance, speed, and time. So the little trick here is, let's say we want to figure out the distance. So I grab a little sticky note from here and just cover the distance up, like this. So we are left with speed and time. Well, because they are right next to each other, we can just multiply these two to get our distance. So speed multiplied by time will equal distance. And the same goes for these two. If we cover up the speed because we want to calculate the speed, we get distance and time, but these two are below each other. And as you guys know, when this happens, we are dividing. So speed, oh my bad, speed equals distance divided by time, as you can see here. And now for the last one, we have time. If we want to calculate the time, we can again cover that up. Look at the triangle right here, and we have distance and speed below each other. So time equals distance divided by speed. But yeah, that's the little trick I use just to don't forget the formula. So now you guys hopefully understand how this triangle works. We're gonna plug in our numbers given. So we have distance and time. Our distance is 360 kilometers and our time is gonna be 4 hours. So we're gonna write speed equals distance, which equals 360 divided by our time, which equals 4. So now we have 360 divided by 4. This is equal 90 kilometers per hour. So the correct answer will be C, 90 kilometers per hour. Now, here's a quick tip that makes these problems even easier. So again, we fall back on the speed triangle. Many teachers call this the speed triangle, including myself. So distance is on top, speed and time are on the bottom. And if you want to find speed, you cover the S in the triangle. I already showed you this, but we're gonna do it again because to get it in your mind quickly and don't forget it. So if you want to find distance instead, you multiply speed and time. And if you want to find time, you divide distance by speed. So remembering this triangle can help you solve many motion problems quickly. So let's do a quick example together. So let me get rid of this really quick so we can get to this example. So a quick example. So imagine a train travels 600 kilometers in 6 hours. So 600 kilometers, 6 hours, like this. What would the speed be? So we're going to use the same formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. So speed equals distance divided by time. And as you guys can see, if you cover up the S, you will get exactly this, distance divided by time. So we're gonna do 600 for the distance and 6 for the time. So we get 600 divided by 6, and this will equal 100 kilometers. My bad. Kilometers per hour. So just remember the formula. Speed equals distance divided by time. And once you know that, these problems become very easy. And that's basically it for this problem and this extra little example problem. So this was basically the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a question in the comments. And as always, this was Mr. Mathz, and I will see you guys in the next one.